So tell us about your experience with Synerzip.
Sure. No, the experience with Synerzip has been tremendous, I think. You guys give us the flexibility we need, to ramp up resources and to work with different technology sets and skill sets beyond the capabilities of what we have here today. And I think that flexibility allows us to do things not only faster, but I think with better precision and accuracy than if we were restricted to just our own internal folks. But I think we get great benefit and cooperation from your team in working through those challenges. Yeah. And what I was elaborating to before is that we've got a great team here, great access to talent and who's in-house, tremendous guys, great strength in the team. But we do notice and do benefit from, the broad exposure your team has, because you've got a much broader team, much broader skill sets, and just bigger numbers in your team, than we have here. And so having access to your group allows us to supplement where maybe we don't have something in-house yet, or that we just want greater velocity and greater, contribution, that we want to accelerate timings. And we get that also by adding from your group.
Right. Do you get any kind of a concern on time zone issues and those kind of friction that some big companies worry about?
I certainly don't. My hours are pretty broad, so that doesn't affect me. But I think that the guys on our team have become accustomed to working with that, having things done when they come in the morning, or working with your teams, as you guys are finishing your day, things are starting out here. And I don't think that's caused any issues with us. I think that's worked just fine.
Great. Well, thanks for sharing a few minutes of this feedback. Appreciate
Sure.
it.
Glad to do it.